Discover the future of construction. Innovative techniques, cutting-edge technology, and a positive, sustainable building environment coming together like never before. Introducing the Situ Plastic Baluster Mold, a smart, reusable solution for casting perfectly shaped concrete balusters directly on site. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, this mold is lightweight, flexible, and easy to handle. Unlike traditional heavy steel molds, it reduces labor effort and speeds up production. The process is simple. First, clean the mold and apply a release agent for a smooth finish. Next, prepare your concrete mix and carefully pour it into the mold cavity. Lightly vibrate or tap the mold to remove air bubbles and ensure a dense, solid structure. After proper curing time, gently open the mold and reveal a perfectly shaped baluster with clean edges and smooth detailing. The best part? This mold is reusable multiple times without losing its shape, making it cost-effective and ideal for bulk projects. Whether you're working on balconies, staircases, terraces, or boundary walls, Situ Plastic Baluster Mold helps you achieve consistent quality and professional results every time. Strong design, smooth finish, faster production. Situ Plastic Baluster Mold. Building elegance, one baluster at a time. Imagine a home that's stronger, smarter, and built to last. Introducing the 10.5-meter diameter Dome House, a modern structure designed for durability and energy efficiency. With a spacious circular layout, this dome provides a wide open interior without the need for multiple columns. The 10.5-meter span creates a comfortable living space, perfect for a family home, eco-resort unit, or site office. The curved design is not just beautiful, it's structural strength in action. The dome shape evenly distributes load, making it highly resistant to strong winds, earthquakes, and extreme weather conditions. Built using reinforced concrete or insulated panel systems, the structure ensures thermal efficiency, keeping interiors cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Construction is faster compared to traditional houses, reducing material waste and overall cost. From foundation to final coating, every step is engineered for performance and long-term durability. Strong structure, smart design, modern living. At the heart of the City of Culture in Galicia stands the Fontan Building, a modern architectural landmark designed to promote knowledge, research, and innovation. With its clean lines, expansive glass facades, and complex structural design, the Fontan Building represents the next generation of sustainable public architecture. Delivering performance at this scale required advanced construction expertise. And that's where Sika Portugal made the difference. From the foundation stage to the final finishing layers, Sika provided high-performance solutions tailored to the building's technical demands. Specialized concrete admixtures were used to enhance strength, durability, and long-term structural reliability. Given Galicia's humid and changing climate, waterproofing was critical. Sika's waterproofing membranes and sealing systems ensured complete protection against water ingress, safeguarding both underground structures and exposed surfaces. Flooring systems, high-quality resin-based solutions delivered durability, aesthetics, and resistance to heavy foot traffic, ideal for a public institutional building. Adhesive and bonding technologies further supported facade elements and interior installations, ensuring long-term stability and performance. Every solution was designed not only for structural excellence, but also for sustainability, reducing maintenance needs and extending the building's service life. The Fontan building is more than a structure. It is a space for ideas, collaboration, and future growth, built with innovation and protected by Sika Portugal. Sika Portugal, building trust, delivering performance. Heavy boards, high ceilings, tight deadlines. Introducing the Edmaplac Mega Board Lifter, the powerful solution designed to make board installation faster, safer, and more efficient. Built for lifting plasterboards, drywall panels, and large sheet materials, the Mega Board Lifter allows a single operator to position boards with precision and ease. Its strong steel frame ensures maximum stability, while the smooth crank system provides controlled vertical lifting. Whether you're working on ceilings or angled surfaces, the adjustable support arms securely hold panels in place. With its wide base and lockable wheels, the lifter offers both mobility and balance on site. Move it easily into position, lock it down, and lift with confidence. Designed for professional contractors, this lifter reduces physical strain, improves installation accuracy, and increases productivity. No more struggling with heavy panels. No more unsafe manual lifting. From residential projects to commercial interiors, the Edmaplac Mega Board Lifter delivers reliability, strength, and precision every time. Stronger support, smarter installation. Edmaplac Mega Board Lifter. Lift heavy, work easy. Introducing Star 5, the easy and efficient bitumen waterproofing solution designed specifically for flat roof systems. Engineered for durability, Star 5 provides a powerful barrier against water infiltration, moisture damage, and harsh weather conditions. Its high-performance bitumen membrane ensures long-lasting protection even under extreme temperatures. Application is simple and practical. The membrane is designed for easy installation, delivering excellent adhesion to concrete and prepared roof surfaces. Once applied, it forms a continuous waterproof layer that protects the entire structure. Star 5 offers strong resistance to UV exposure, standing water, and thermal movement, reducing maintenance needs and extending the life of your roof. Whether for residential buildings, commercial spaces, or industrial facilities, this solution guarantees dependable performance. Strong protection, easy application, long-term reliability. Star 5, secure waterproofing for your flat roof. Introducing Sonopan, the innovative solution for effective soundproofing in residential, commercial, and industrial spaces. Sonopan panels are designed to absorb and reduce unwanted noise, minimizing echoes and improving acoustics. Lightweight and easy to install, they can be applied on walls, ceilings, or partitions without major structural changes. The high-density material ensures excellent sound insulation, while its durable finish maintains performance over time. Sonopan is perfect for offices, studios, apartments, or any environment where noise reduction is key. Installation is simple. Mount the panels on prepared surfaces and instantly experience a quieter, more comfortable space. No complex construction, no heavy equipment, just effective, professional-grade soundproofing. Whether it's controlling chatter in offices, reducing street noise in homes, or optimizing acoustics in music studios, Sonopan delivers reliable, long-lasting results. Comfort, clarity, silence. Sonopan, the smart choice for professional sound insulation. a high-quality foundation mold designed for precision, durability, and ease of use. This formwork allows quick and accurate construction of concrete foundations, whether for residential, commercial, or industrial projects. Its modular design ensures stability during pouring and provides a smooth, consistent finish for your concrete structures. Made from durable materials, the lightweight design allows easy handling on site, reducing labor effort and installation time. Installation is straightforward. Assemble the panels, secure them in place, pour the concrete. With Lamy Tassu, builders achieve reliable strength, uniformity, and efficiency, all while minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. Strong foundation, smart design, faster construction. Lamy Tassu, Anturamuotin Asenu, building confidence from the ground up. Experience the perfect blend of nature and luxury with the Packer Tent by Tents Expa, a premium glamping accommodation designed for comfort, style, and adventure. Spacious, elegant, and thoughtfully designed, the Packer Tent offers a fully equipped living space that feels like a boutique hotel in the heart of the outdoors. Its sturdy frame and weather-resistant materials ensure safety and durability, while large windows and open layouts bring in natural light and stunning views. Inside, guests enjoy a cozy yet sophisticated environment. Its modular structure allows flexibility, making it easy to expand or relocate as needed. Combining elegance, durability, and convenience, the Packer Tent by Tents Expa sets a new standard for glamping accommodation. Luxury in the wild. Comfort in every detail. Adventure without compromise. Packer Tent, Tents Expa, redefining outdoor luxury. Introducing Lions Roofing Polyurethane Foam Roof Installation, a modern solution for durable, seamless, and insulated roofing. Polyurethane foam is sprayed directly onto the roof surface, expanding to fill gaps, cracks, and uneven areas. This creates a continuous, waterproof layer that provides excellent thermal insulation, reduces energy costs, and prevents leaks. The foam bonds tightly to the roof substrate, forming a lightweight yet highly durable layer. Once applied, a protective coating is added to shield the surface from UV rays, weather, and wear, ensuring long-lasting performance. This system is quick to install, minimizing disruption while maximizing efficiency. Its seamless nature means there are no joints or seams, drastically reducing the risk of water penetration. Ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial buildings, the Lions Roofing Polyurethane Foam solution combines strength, insulation, and weather resistance in one single step. Lions Roofing Polyurethane Foam Roof Installation, protecting your building from the top down. High-quality living with its latest research and development in economic villas. Focused on cost-effective design, these villas combine modern aesthetics with practical layouts, maximizing space and functionality for families. The R&D process emphasizes durability, energy efficiency, and sustainable construction materials, ensuring long-term value. Each villa is thoughtfully designed to balance comfort, style, and affordability, making modern living accessible without compromise. Innovative construction methods reduce time and cost, while maintaining structural integrity and design quality. From planning to final execution, PTH's research-driven approach ensures these villas meet the evolving needs of homeowners and communities. Smart design, sustainable materials, affordable luxury. PTH's new economic villas, redefining modern, affordable living. Meet Wall Grip Pro, the ultimate solution for secure wall anchoring and construction support. Designed for strength and reliability, Wall Grip Pro provides excellent adhesion and stability for panels, fixtures, and structural elements. Its durable materials ensure long-lasting performance, even in demanding conditions. Easy to install and versatile in application, it reduces labor effort while improving efficiency on site.